What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Purvi and I'm back with another video. And this video, oh my god, I just got to my chewing gum. Okay, so this video is definitely gonna help you get that volume that you need. Like, this is what your hair will turn into. It's gonna be huge, it's gonna be big. And if you guys want to know how I do this with like minimal products, then keep on watching. So first things first. Okay, I forgot to get my shampoo. Okay, first things first, the shampoo. I have been trying a lot of volume shampoos, Tresemme and all of that. I am just not happy. Tresemme was such a bust. I'm like shocked because Tresemme products are really good and it just didn't work. I was really disappointed. I ordered this shampoo by Swarovski from Nykaa. It is this volume boost. I'm gonna put the price right over here. Concentrate on me, focus on me. Okay, so yeah, that is the shampoo I use. I do not use conditioner because generally conditioner flattens your hair, and when you want your hair to be really voluminous, you do not want to use anything that could flatten your hair. So what I do is I always follow my oil routine. If you've not checked that video out, please go check it out. It's right over here. Watch it after this video. I always do that one day before and after too. Mostly one day before because I really want my hair to get that enough nourishment. After I'm done shampooing, I never use blow dry. I hate blow drying my hair. I think you should never do that. You should let your hair air dry, because like if you're not in a hurry, or even if you are in a hurry, like whatever, your hair is not going to take that much time to dry. If you do not have that crazy curly hair, because I understand they take a lot of time, but if you have like normal hair, normal wavy hair, it won't take a lot of time. So please do not risk your hair with blow drying every single day or whenever you wash your hair, because it's just not good for your hair, guys. Please don't do it. I have never done it. I always do it like whenever I'm in a salon. So one more thing, please go check out the kind of towel I use for my hair, and again I'm going to be linking it right over here. Please do not dry your hair with your towel like this, because dude, that is not how you're supposed to dry your hair. Pat dry it. That is the best method. That is the only way you should be doing it. But once I am done with my hair and all, I just tie it and I just do my makeup. And once I have reached this stage, I know I suck at makeup, but this is all I know. This is all I know, really. So after I'm done, I just get rid of my hair, and this is what I do. Okay, so the mousse that I actually really loved was the Professionnel one. It was amazing, but I've forgotten it at my mom's place, so I brought another one. This is by L'Oreal, Tecni Art Full Volume in, I don't know, can you see it? It's 4. Okay, so I'm gonna do it ASAP because I don't want my hair to be like completely dry, because then it's gonna be useless. So I'm just gonna take a little bit on my hand. I'm just gonna shake it a little bit, and oh my god, you do not need this much, but if you have like a bob cut or something, you're just gonna need like half of it. But anywho, you're just gonna do this, and we are gonna comb our hair with our hands. Like, yeah, you're just gonna, can you guys see? Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay. Okay, once you're done with that, you're just gonna start crunching. Like so. Crunch it all up properly. You will already start noticing some kind of volume. Like within a second you'll be like, fuck, you'll be like really shocked with your hair, because like it never gave you this much volume ever, but this bloody product has the power to do that. If you can see, it just gives that enough shine too, that I have noticed. And make sure that you do it when your hair is like damp, otherwise it's going to be really pointless and it's just not going to work. You can already see that your hair is like fucking big. Oh my god, this looks so cool. So now you are blessed with some bouncy, fluffy, voluminous, awesome, defined, proper curls. You don't have to even curl your hair, because this legit looks natural. I mean, just look at it. It looks so freaking good. I love it. I fucking love it. One thing that I would really suggest, if your parting is on like, okay, if your parting is in like this side, okay, try doing it like this. Go on the opposite side, because it gives a ton of volume that way. It will give a lot of volume that way, because like it's the opposite direction, so like it kind of just, I mean, come on, like look at my hair, it's like so huge right now, but somehow it just looks really natural, and it just I love it. I just fucking love it. Hey guys, so this is how your hair will look in like some time. It is all done, dried, and yeah, if you can see, it gives a lot of volume right out here, and I just thought of showing you guys how it looks in like some time. So yeah, I really hope this video helped you guys. Where am I looking? Like, what the fuck? I really hope this video helped you guys in some way. Please do not do it every day. It's not good for your hair. Do it when you really need it and when you really have to go out. Otherwise, like, if you don't have any work and you're not going to show it off, then what's the point? This is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you like this video, and I promise you it's gonna help you. It is definitely going to make your hair big and gonna give it a lot of shine, and trust me, people are gonna be like, wow, what have you done to your hair? And you'll be like, I watched Purvi's video, go check it out. You better say that. Okay, I'm sorry for all that drama, but yeah, I really hope this video helps you guys. I really hope this video helped you guys in some way. If it did, then please do not forget to like my video, and please do not forget to subscribe. There's a lot of YouTube problem, there's a lot of glitch going on, and you cannot see videos. You know, the likes and the views differ, then the video appears after some time, disappears. So please subscribe, and please click the notification bell if you just want to be notified whenever I upload a video or whatever. And if you want to be my friend, then do not forget to please do not forget to follow me on my Instagram. It is at Quirky Purvi. It is QUIRKYPURVI. That is my ID, and I would love to be your friend, so please go follow me. And yeah, that is it for today, guys. I love you so much. Mwah. Bye.